All right, so we just talked about interior angles of triangle. And now we're going to talk about exterior angles of a triangle. Okay, so we have a triangle, and we have a line that comes out this way. Where this is angle 1, 2, 3, and then this outer angle, exterior angle, is 4. So yes, angle 4 is a exterior angle. And I don't think we have to identify that angles 1, 2, and 3 are interior angles of a triangle. Like obviously they're inside the triangle, right? Okay, so we're going to talk about remote interior angles. Okay, so remote interior angles are two angles that are not adjacent or touching the exterior angle. I'm trying to write better. Okay, so remote interior angles. There's two angles that are not adjacent or touching the exterior angle. So we know that angle 4 is the exterior angle, right? So which ones are the remote interior angles? I'm writing really sloppy. Remote interior to angle 4. Okay, so which ones are not touching or close? So here's angle 4, right? Let's highlight the ones that aren't adjacent or touching the angle. So angle 1 and angle 3 are nowhere touching or close to angle 4. Angle 3 is an adjacent one, it's touching. Angle 3 is right here. That would not be 1. So it's always going to be that the two outside, the ones that are not connected to the angles, are going to be the remote interior. And the rule is that those two angles, so angle 1 plus angle 2 equals angle 4. And that's a big rule that you're going to need to know for this one. You're going to need those two. So the two angles that are not adjacent or touching added together will equal the exterior one. Okay, so let's kind of look to see what that means, okay? For example, we're going to have a triangle here. It looks like this. There's my triangle, and my line's going to come out this way this time. And this one's going to be 54 degrees. This one's going to be X, and this is going to be 115. All right, so I'm going to highlight the exterior angle. My exterior angle is blue. It's 115. My two remote interior angles are 54 and X. My remote interior angles added together will equal my exterior angle in blue. So I got 54 plus X equals 115. All right, so subtract 54, 61. So X is 61. So you're going to kind of play with those to figure out and find missing angles. Okay, let's do one more. One a little bit more complicated. Okay, so we have triangle here. It's going to come out this way. Didn't want to erase that all, but it was kind of sloppy. Okay, so I'm going to have 81 degrees here, 12x here, and then 24x plus 9. All right, again, here is my exterior angle, and here are my adjacent angles. So these added together is going to equal this exterior angle out here. Okay, so the yellows plus the blue. The yellows equal the blue. So I'm going to have 12x plus 81 equals 24x plus 9. All right, so I'm going to work this out. So 81 minus 9 is 72 equals 12 divided by 12. 72 divided by 12 is 6. So x equals 6. All right, I'm not done. I know the value of x. Now I need to figure out my angle. So I'm going to take x and I'm going to plug it back in to where I need to figure out, okay? So I'm going to start with 12x, which is 12 times 6. And 12 times 6 equals 72. All right, so this angle is 72. And now my exterior angle, 24 times 6 plus 9. 24 times 6 is 144 plus 9 is 153. So this one is 153. Okay, so now let's check our work. We're going to add the two yellow together to see if it equals 153. So 81 plus 72 is 153. So we know we are right. And now we know all three of those